there is a space within you that does not ask you to be anything. It simply allows you to be open, present, and whole. This is your heart center. And in this meditation, we gently return to it, activating, clearing, and balancing your heart chakra. The heart chakra is located in the center of your chest. It is the energy center of love, compassion, connection, and emotional balance. It connects the lower chakras of grounding and personal power with the higher chakras of intuition and spiritual awareness. When the heart chakra is balanced, you feel open, peaceful, and connected to yourself and others. Today, we simply allow this energy center to soften, open, and return to harmony. Find a comfortable position and allow your body to rest fully. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, letting your body soften. Bring your awareness into your chest. Notice your natural breath. Allow your shoulders to drop, your chest to gently soften. Let your body feel safe, held, and supported. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Visualize a soft, glowing green light, gentle, warm, and expanding. With each inhale, this light expands outward. With each exhale, it softens and settles. Imagine this green light as a gentle flower, slowly opening, petal by petal. There is no force, only natural unfolding. You are safe to open. Now, imagine a soft flow of healing energy moving through your heart space. Gently releasing anything heavy, anything held, anything no longer needed. There is nothing to fix, only to allow. As this energy flows, your heart chakra becomes balanced, open, and at peace. If it feels right, gently repeat, I am open to love. I give and receive love freely. My heart is safe to open. Rest here for a few moments, simply breathing, feeling warmth in your chest, softness and ease. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. This was part 4 of the Chakra Healing Series. You can return to this practice anytime to reconnect with love, compassion, and inner peace. And when you're ready, continue to part 5, where we'll be working with the throat chakra. Subscribe for the full series and more Reiki healing meditations.